In today's video, I'll be sharing part 1 of keeping your mini braids fresh as long as you can. Here's the thing. Before you even braid your hair, set the foundation. This style can literally last you all month if properly prepped. So plan a day to wash and deep condition your hair before braiding. This will help your hair stay manageable when you start rebraiding. Make sure your parts are clean and clearly defined. So, I left my hair in these braids for 2 weeks. When I took my hair down to rebraid, I noticed that I had a lot of loose hair at the crown. Just from sleeping and gravity. The braids probably weren't tight at the roots on purpose and started to loosen up. But I believe if your parts are entangled with each other, then there will be a chance for your hair to lock and mat up if you don't plan on refreshing your braids. To save some time, try pre-sectioning your hair for a quicker install. After your parting is set, I recommend moisturizing each section of your hair right before you braid it. This will give your hair products time to set in your hair, give your finished braid shine, and make it easier to run your fingers through your hair while braiding. I noticed it's a little uncomfortable braiding my hair when it's dry because I'll have to detangle my ends sometimes during the process, and that's super hard to do when my hair isn't moisturized. I also recommend sectioning your braid strands into 3 equal sections. This will make the braid have a more unified look. So now that your hair is braided, don't forget to wear a satin scarf or bonnet to bed. Protect your hair to preserve the style that you worked so hard for. If you move a lot in your sleep, like me, pair it with a satin pillowcase. The 2 fabrics will slide on each other, reducing the amount of friction you would normally see with a cotton pillowcase and a satin scarf or bonnet. I hope you enjoyed part 1. Click here for part 2.